Hey, 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 come on, I'm just a little guy. I'm just a little guy and it's my birthday.
It's time to walk. Okay. God, you're so good. It's all right.
You can try to sweat. You can.
Oh dear. Excellent. Lemon water.
Yeah. This is very slow.
Making my way back home. It's been a long day. Time to see my fluffy dog. Fat bitch!
If you ain't crockin', you ain't rockin', that's what I heard, so I got me some Crocs. The jury is still out on how I feel about these fashion-wise. Very breathable though, I'll give them that.
This is Sky. She's born deaf. And when it's time to go for a walk, she doesn't understand. This is how we tell her. We just thought the world should see this.
I think my dog was a bunny in a past life.
What? What?
Ooh, oh, ooh, that's good. Hey, hold on. What's that? That Dr. Pepper? That's that Dr. Pepper.
I'm worried about my sim dog.
Mama.
You holding your poodle? How he cleans you? Just eat him?